Hi, I'm Pat with Aftermath Services. As a police officer, I have experienced too many crime scenes that I wish I had a PPE kit to protect myself. The risk of bringing some of these dangers back home or to the department is too high not to do anything. Aftermath cares about your safety, which is why we are giving away over $10,000 to be used for safety and awareness training, along with 550 personal protective equipment or PPE kits. As a fellow officer, I want to challenge you and your department to participate in the 2020 Aftermath Safety and Training Contest. Beginning February 3rd, submit a short video showing us the importance of keeping your officers and their families safe from unseen threats such as bloodborne pathogens and how you can use the Aftermath grant and PPE kits to train and protect your officers. Interested in receiving your own PPE kit? Great news! We're also selecting 250 winners to receive their very own kit. All you have to do is enter at aftermath.com. The department with the most individual entries will also receive lunch from Aftermath. Reach out to your local Aftermath rep with any questions. Thank you.